With the arrival of spring comes rising temperatures, blooming flowers, and green grass. Although there's a lot to look forward to as winter comes to an end for us lawn and garden lovers, a major thing to look out for are signs of disease outbreaks in your St. Augustine lawn. Fungus outbreaks can attack during the winter and dormancy, and persist in the cooler early spring months. Consider applying a systemic fungicide with an active ingredient to prevent or kill turfgrass diseases. St. Augustine is prone to gray leaf spot at this time. If a disease is present, make sure to apply topically to the lawn with at least 2 to 3 applications spaced a few weeks apart. If you put down a granular fungicide, be sure to water it in to help it get down into the soil. This should be all the water your lawn needs for the week. When applying any control product to your lawn and garden, read and follow product label instructions thoroughly. For more information on spring disease control, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Palmetto and Citra Blue St. Augustine. If you have a different kind of St. Augustine, refer to our generic St. Augustine maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for St. Augustine lawns.